Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In our previous Python interview questions videos, we have seen up to 52 questions. The next question 53, what we have here is explain explain syntax of input function. So we need to see what is mean by input function, how the behavior of this input function is going to be in Python. See, this input function is used to read. This input function is used to read dynamic value from the user. If I want to read any dynamic value from the user, then we can go for this input function. But this input function is available in two different forms. Okay. See, the first form is input of. If you want, you can provide any message here. Otherwise, you can simply take input. That's all. It is available in how many forms? Two forms. So first I will show you how you can able to read the data. For example, data is equal to I am taking input. Even without giving any input, without giving any interface message also, we can deal. Sir, whatever data I am accepting dynamically from the user, that data I am going to store inside a variable called x, and we are trying to print that variable called x. Let us run this program. When you are running the program, in the command prompt, it won't display any information. It is not displaying any information. Simply, it is waiting for the input. Simply, it is waiting for the input. What we need to do? We have to give the data. Sir, can I give 123? Yes, it will accept. So the data, whatever you have given, I am printing as it is. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, okay, fine. What is the second form that we have? If you want, you can give interface message also, which is recommended while practicing the programs. So you can see here, enter any data, something like that you can ask. During execution, it will give a prompt asking enter any data. So I'm giving 222. The given data is 222. Like that we are going to get. So these are nothing but two forms of input function what we have to read dynamic data from the user. Up to this, I think you don't have any doubt. But one more point is there. Here, the data which is accepted by using input function is always string type of data. You can give any type of input, but my Python input function will take in which format? String format only. This is nothing but what we have. Suppose here we are asking enter any data, and after printing x value, I am printing type of x also, because there is one inbuilt function is there with the name type. There is one inbuilt function is there with the name type. What this type function is going to do? Whatever value that you are giving, that is whatever object that you are giving, it is going to print that object's type. It is going to print that object's type. Let me check. Sir, when we are executing this program, it is asking enter any data. I am giving input as a Prakash. Yes, it is a collection of characters only. It is accepting in the form of string. No problem. Now, I am giving the data as a 777. 777, as you know that it is integer type of data. But my program is accepting in which format? String format. Even though you are giving some 3 plus 5j complex type of data, it is taking in the form of string. So what is the conclusion here? For your program, you can supply any type of data, but my input function will always accept the data in the form of string only. This is nothing but conclusion what we have. Sir, if you don't know the type of data, then it is very difficult. Compulsory, you have to use typecasting functions. Compulsory, we have to use typecasting functions to convert to specific type. Okay. Anyway, that we will see in the next video. Okay. Thank you, friends.